how to find monochrome player settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find monochrome player settings on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find the settings in top corner. Click on it and then click display, and as you see here you will find monochrome player settings. You can enable it or disable it just by one click, and as you see, just click on it if you want to turn it on, and you can turn it off again by one click, and then just go back. It will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find monochrome player settings on Deezer mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.